Hi everyone, it's Christy. Welcome to another What I Eat in a Day video. If you're new here, I follow the Weight Watchers program. I get 23 points a day and 28 weeklies, but I also share calories on my channel as well. So let's jump right into my day where I'll show you my full day of eating. If you're new to my channel, please make sure to read the disclaimer down in the description box about what I eat in a day videos and how you shouldn't really copy what people eat and how we're all different. So one thing to keep in mind, I'm in my 50s. I am only 4'11 3/4, so my needs may be completely different than yours. So just make sure to read that disclaimer and work with your own doctor or your own dietitian to find what works for you. All right, I'm starting my day with some cottage cheese and blueberries before I get on the treadmill. So I'm just going to put it in this bowl. That way I can have room for the blueberries. So I'm just going to put a few frozen blueberries in there. So on Weight Watchers, these are 2 points. They're 120 calories and 19 grams of protein. So I'm going to count this as a 2-point breakfast snack. And for the blueberries, it's 0 points on Weight Watchers, and then I probably have, I don't know, about maybe 30 calories worth in there. So this will be a 150 calorie snack, 19 grams of protein, and 2 points. I'm going to try and get a 45-minute walk in this morning. I've got some water, and then I'll eat my breakfast after I'm done. So this is my breakfast today. So this is from my meal prep this week. So my breakfast and lunch today is actually from my meal prep. So I'll put that meal prep video down in the description box below. But this is my blueberry pancake bake that I made a few modifications to this one. Instead of unsweetened almond milk, this time I used the Fairlife milk. I also used frozen blueberries, and I did a little blueberry topping where I mixed some frozen blueberries in with some sugar-free syrup, just like a teaspoon of syrup, and then I put it in the microwave for a little bit and put that over the top. So like I said, my blueberry pancake bake, and then I've combined it with Emily Bites turkey breakfast sausage. For her recipe, it's 0 points for that turkey breakfast sausage. And then I just have a little bit of sugar-free syrup. And then I also did have half a strawberry that I've already eaten the strawberry. So the total points for this entire breakfast is just 3 Weight Watcher points. And then for the calories, including that half a strawberry I ate and the sugar-free syrup, it's about 330 calories and it's 40 grams of protein. And then I have my coffee, and this is all the coffee I'm going to have today. I'm not going to have my big Yeti, so I'm just counting this as 1 point and about 45 calories. It's just 1 point worth of the Coffee Mate Sweet Italian Cream, 0 sugar creamer. And then I've got my water, which I fill this several times a day. Every What I Eat in a Day video, I talk about how I have about 10 to 12 glasses of water each day. So I'm going to eat this, and then I'll come back and show you what I have for lunch. So it's time for lunch, and for lunch this week for meal prep, I made these teriyaki chicken rice bowls. These are really good. So I just have some brown rice down in there. I made some chicken with the teriyaki stir fry from Aldi. So I'll link the meal prep down below for this breakfast and lunch. And then I have some broccoli in there, and I think that was it. And I've topped it with some sugar-free yum yum sauce. This is G. Hughes. For this kind, it's 4 points for the 2 tablespoons or 120 calories, but I just have 1 tablespoon for 2 points or 60 calories. So I actually have a container that I'll put it in, and then I just kind of squirt it over, makes a tablespoon go a long way. So the total points on this, it's 6 points. That's including the yum yum sauce. And then it's 435 calories and 46 grams of protein. So I'm having a little snack. I've got some carrots, and this is the ranch protein dip that I made. This is the kind that you just mix cottage cheese with some ranch seasoning. It's really good. So if you're not using the fat-free cottage cheese, then the Good Culture is 2 points for half a cup. So you could count this as 1 point, and then I would count it as about 7 grams of protein if I were to guess. And then for calories, I just count all of this at about 70 calories.
Never up, never down, never
I'm throwing dinner together and I honestly don't really know what I'm doing. So I'm just kind of throwing some things together. So on my stove, I was cooking some pasta sauce and I just added in some greens. I wanted just regular spinach, but I didn't have any, so I just used some spring mix. And then I have this pasta sauce. This is home style roasted garlic, and this is really good. So this is 2 points for half a cup or 80 calories, and then it has 2 grams of protein in a half a cup. So I'm just using a 1/4 cup in each container, and I'm actually gonna mix that with some cottage cheese. So I'm gonna put about a half a cup, I think, of cottage cheese in each one. I'll see what it looks like. That's gonna bump up the protein in it. For my pasta, I'm using this Protein Plus rotini. So I've already cooked that. I've got it draining in my sink. I'm using 2 ounces for each serving. So this is 5 points and 190 calories. The cottage cheese is 2 points. It scans at 2 points, but I know a lot of people, I've mentioned this several times, a lot of people for 1%, they will count that as 0 because it's so close to fat-free. But for me, I'm gonna just count it for what it scans, which is 2 points for the half a cup. And then that half a cup is 13 grams of protein. And then I'm gonna add 20 grams of some mozzarella as well. So I've got some mozzarella that I've already weighed out. For the 20 grams, it's 2 points and it's 80 calories for 28 grams. So I think it was like 57 calories for the 20 grams. And then I'm also gonna add some turkey pepperoni. So I'm probably just gonna add 4 slices to each one. 4 slices of turkey pepperoni is 0 points. And then it would be about 18 calories and 2.5 grams of protein. And then I also have some fresh mushrooms that I cut up. I'm gonna throw those in there. So for my estimations, this is gonna come out to 10 points on Weight Watchers, about 400 calories and 31 grams of protein. So if you think 10 points is high for you, you can definitely maybe leave out the cheese or make some modifications or use the fat-free cottage cheese. That'll save you the 2 points. For me, 10 to 12 points for dinner is usually what I get anyway. So I've got my dishes sprayed with some cooking spray, and now I'm just gonna add the cooked pasta to the bottom of each one. So like I said, it's 2 ounces in each one. I'm just kind of eyeballing it to make sure it looks pretty even. And then I'm gonna put about half the sauce in each one. And the half a cup of cottage cheese and the mushrooms. And I'm just gonna mix that all up. So if you don't want to use the turkey pepperoni, you could do turkey breast if you want. So I'm adding more pepperoni. I'm going to do 8 in each one. With this pepperoni, it's 0 points for 4, but you can actually have 22 of them for 1 point. So with that pepperoni, that is going to increase the calories as well by 18 more calories. And then I'm going to add a little bit of oregano. And these are going in a 350-degree oven for probably about 15-20 minutes. All right, these are done. I had them in there for about 20 minutes. I just basically waited for them to get kind of bubbly on the side. All right, so that is really hot, so I'm gonna let it cool down a little bit before I try it. All right, that is really good. So this is definitely a keeper. I'm gonna definitely be making this again. I think the only thing that I would do different is I would probably leave out the spring mix. It's just a little bit strong. The flavor is a little bit strong for this. So I would probably leave that out and just do a side salad with that. You know, just have a salad on the side. But this is really good. There's so many different ways that you could make this. And like I said, if you want to lower the points, you could definitely use the fat-free cottage cheese, or you can leave off the mozzarella, or instead of pepperoni, you could use some turkey breast, like the 99% lean turkey breast. Those would be great options. But the exact way that I made it and with the exact brands I used came out to 11 points, 420 calories, and about 33 grams of protein. All right, I'm making dessert. I have a banana here that I just cut in half. It's 100 grams of banana. I have some PB2. I've got 2 tablespoons of that. And then I've got some Lily's dark chocolate chips. So to the 2 tablespoons of PB2, I'm just gonna add in some water. I've got 2 tablespoons here, but I might just do like 1.5, which is actually how you would normally make the peanut butter. I don't normally put water in this actually. So I want it a little bit thinned out though. Yeah, I'm gonna add just a little bit more water to that. Probably didn't even need that much. And then for these Lily's chocolate chips, you can have 17 of these for 1 point, which is 42 calories. For the PB2, it's 1 point for the 2 tablespoons, has 6 grams of protein and 60 calories. And then for the 100-gram banana is about 90 calories. So I'm gonna add my 17 chocolate chips, and that is gonna be our little peanut butter banana boat dessert tonight. Total points on this is going to be just 2 points and then about 191 calories, 8 grams of protein. So here is what I have left. I'm only going to count it as half. So here's the thing. I love PB2 like in oats. I love it mixed dry with my apples. But making it into peanut butter, I'm just not a fan. And one thing you'll know about me is I don't sacrifice the flavor of something just because it's lower in points. So I thought maybe it would be okay because I was mixing it with the banana and chocolate chips, but the flavor still wasn't doing it for me. So what I would do next time, honestly, is I'd probably just put maybe a tablespoon of regular peanut butter on there and take the points for it. But I know some people love PB2, so if you love it, you'll probably love this dessert. But for me personally, I would just use regular peanut butter next time. So I'm only going to be counting this as 1 point, about 95 calories and 4 grams of protein. So with that, my totals for the day ended up being 25. So I used 25 out of my 23 Weight Watcher points. So I used 2 of my weeklies. I ended up with 1,525 calories and 147 grams of protein today. And I had a pretty active day today with 14,514 steps. So I hope you enjoyed this video. As always, I appreciate the thumbs up and the comments. Thank you all so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next one.